Hello, welcome back to my channel. So today I received a package in here. So it's my replacement throttle controller. If you guys remember, before my last video, I installed the Shadow eDrive Advance 4. So I decided to remove that. I actually sold it and I bought a different brand, and I can actually connect it and control it using my phone. So this product is from Thailand. The name of the shop is ECU Shop. So they're a big company in Thailand. They do performance stuff on cars down there. So let's unwrap this one, unbox it or whatever. But yep, come on, let's go. Okay, so let's unpack this one out. I always unpack on my engine bay because I don't have enough space here. So the one I got is actually not marked. That's actually made for the CHR. I actually got the one that is made for, I'll show you, like the Toyota Vios, Camry, Yaris. Those are the model that this is actually made for. This is only for the adapter, the socket that you actually just put on. So here's the product. ECU Shop, where performance begins. Yep. So yeah. So you just actually gonna. Oh, there you go. It shows the instruction in there. Step 1. Turn off the ignition switch and disconnect the negative battery terminal. Step 2. Disconnect the OEM plug and just put it in there. So, yep. So, the thing is, this is for the US market. It has the same plug or socket as this cars that's in here. So my kid is here in the background. Okay, she's showing that she took a picture. But yep, so come on, let's install this. But let me just show you. What is that? Empty. Oh shoot. Some part are missing, I guess. Oh no, I hope not. I think it's here. I think it's here. The actual module, or the controller. There you go. So it's like a telephone jack on it. Alright, come on. Let's install this one. Try it out. And I'll show you the other features on this one on the app. So, it says there, made in Thailand. So, I'm lucky that I was able to purchase this one out. It's available on eBay actually, and it's a lot cheaper than the other sources that I plan to purchase it. So come on, let's go to the driver side and I'll show you. I'll try to get good lighting. Alright. Okay, so this is the cable or plug, harness, whatever you call it, that we need to unplug. So I'm always having hard time removing that because it's hard. Okay, so let me try if I can actually unplug this. Yeah, so just one moment. Let me get a flathead screw driver, and I'll try to remove it. There you go. If you heard it snap, easy. So hard to remove it with just the fingers. So let me get the module. So here's the module that needs to get plugged in. So let me just check something. Yeah. Yep. So this side goes to the pedal. If you heard it snap, and then I need to plug the main harness. I should have put the harness first. There we go. If you heard it snap, then this, you just have to run it somewhere under here and connect this one. So the main controller. So just simply just run it here. Okay. Yep. Make sure it's not on the way of any of your gas or your brake pedal. So put a zip tie in there. Yep. One moment. Okay, so if you need some room, you can actually just push this one up, route the wire in here with this one. So I'm gonna place mine in here. If you can see, place it in here. But before I actually stick it, I will test it. But let me wire it up first. Sure, have enough room. I'm going to go. I know I can't decide. This is the airbag. Don't want to deploy it in my face right now. That's gonna be hard. Okay, Wait, be right back. Okay, so I was able to pull it. I just run this one there, and I was able to pull the actual connector from the actual pedal. So let me just put it there again, and I'm planning to put this one out in here, over here, over there, if you can see. I'll show you later. Yeah, so I need to run this wire somewhere. Scared of the airbag. Might mess up something in there. So let's test it first. Okay, so it's gonna be a little dark because, so there you go, there's power. It's on 0 right now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. A, I don't know what's A. B, I don't know what's B. C, I don't know what's C. D, I don't know. For some reason my radio played Lady Gaga. So yeah, back to 0. So let me stop Lady Gaga before I go Gaga. Oops. What the heck? Okay, so this is where I put the controller itself. So I'm gonna finalize the wiring over there and tidy up the wiring in here. Just use some zip ties, cable ties. Can't even see it, but yep. So I'm just gonna wire zip tie it here somewhere. Here's the hole, so I'll secure it in there just to avoid some sound when I'm driving. So I'll show you the app. So in here I have the app. I'm selecting the device right now, trying to pair it on my phone. So it's an easy process. You only need to press the button on the actual controller, and it will blink there on the top, and it's paired up. And now I'm gonna press the plus, and it has 14 steps. So it has that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then it has the A, B, C on it. So it shows there in the graph, so the actual position of the throttle. So I drove this one out on Sunday. So I received the product Friday. I installed it Friday night. I drove it Sunday, and it's actually better. than the previous throttle controller I have. So now I have the on the screen I have the eco mode, so you can just swipe down uh, the power that you put on, so it limits up to maximum 70%. So it saves you gas, but it's gonna be less responsive. So now it has the anti-slip mode. So same with this one, it reduces the uh, power, the torque that it gives. So less opening on the throttle, especially on slippy conditions. And then it has an anti-theft mode, which you actually put your passcode on it. So I just put random passcode in there. It locks it, goes back to the home screen. You click the app, then you're gonna be welcomed by the passcode. So if you heard that, it's like an actual alarm. So you can also put the information of your car. So I have the Toyota CHR. So let's click on that, and if you'll see, the throttle position is on 0%. I step on it, it went to 100%. The press it again. So it goes all the way to 100%. So there you go. Has 14 steps. All right.